Emergency services. What's your emergency?
Please help. My father's having severe chest pain and he's having trouble breathing.
I understand. Please stay calm. What's your exact address?
We live at 125 Green Street, apartment 4B, Boston.
Thank you. An ambulance is being dispatched now. How old is your father?
He's 68 years old.
Is he awake and able to speak?
Yes, but he's in a lot of pain. He's speaking very slowly.
Has he ever had heart problems before?
Yes, he had a heart attack about 5 years ago.
Thank you. That information is very helpful. Stay with your father. Help him sit in a comfortable position. Loosen any tight clothing around his neck or chest.
Okay, I'm doing that now.
Don't give him anything to eat or drink. If he has prescribed heart medication, help him take it if he's able.
He has his medication with him. I'll help him take it.
Good. Keep talking to him and try to keep him calm.
Hello, we're here to help. Where's the patient?
He's in the living room. His chest pain started about 15 minutes ago.
Thank you. We'll take over from here. Sir, can you tell me where it hurts?
Right here, in the center of my chest.
All right. We're going to check your vital signs and give you oxygen. We believe it's safest to take him to the hospital immediately. We'll continue monitoring him on the way.
Can I come with you?
Yes, of course. Please bring his ID, medical records, and any medications he's taking.
I'll get them right away. Thank you for coming so quickly.
You're welcome. Let's get him to the hospital.